Yeah, I can't.
Oh, you got a bunch right there.
What?
keep going.
I knew it was like Blake and Morgan.
Blake and Morgan. All right, feel your ice cream. Oh, okay.
I got nothing.
No, you have a cherry on there.
Yeah, feel your fork again. Feel your fork.
Feel your fork.
Oh. Stinker cherry. Okay, let's see. Where's it?
All right.
There it is.
Caleb, here, give me a cherry.
Okay.
Here. Say please, please, please. Caleb,
Ooh, what's that?
Caleb.
I
No. Say please.
whipped
Say please, please, please.
This might be
I
good.
think he just said please.
Oh, did he? Watch her, honey.
Do you hear him say please? Say
Is he
please.
saying please?